It has begun.
In Diablo 3, the burning hells are poised to invade the mortal realm of Sanctuary once again, and it falls to you to spare humanity from doom. Your journey begins by choosing from 5 mighty hero classes, each with its own intriguing backstory and distinct traits and abilities. The Barbarian is the embodiment of brute strength, capable of obliterating enemies with colossal melee weapons. The enigmatic Witch Doctor employs dark rituals to terrorize foes and summon horrific minions to rip them apart. The Demon Hunter is a master of ranged weaponry, unmatched at slaying opponents with crossbows, traps, and devastating explosives. With superhuman reflexes, the Monk evades frenzied attacks and delivers chains of killing blows with blinding speed. As a wielder of arcane forces, the Wizard unleashes dangerous magics to annihilate entire packs of demons with one strike. Whichever class you choose, your hero will gain new abilities and grow in strength as you complete quests, amass troves of powerful items, and dispatch hordes of fiendish enemies. Diablo 3 offers unprecedented depth through its randomly generated world. Every time you brave Sanctuary's vast wilds or ancient dungeons, you will find scores of unique foes, random events,
a trap,
and fabled artifacts. The game empowers you to thoroughly customize your class. You can enhance your items or craft new ones with the help of dedicated artisans. Socketing gems into your equipment also vastly improves its effectiveness. Additionally, you can tap into the incredible power of runes and unlock radically new special attacks and abilities, allowing you to vanquish anything that stands in your path.
Too easy!
With the Battle.net online gaming service, you can adventure through Sanctuary with a fearless party of up to 4 players. Test your worth in fierce player-versus-player gladiatorial arenas, or sell and trade the epic items you find through the region-wide auction house. Whether you play alone or with others, Diablo 3 offers a richly imagined campaign with a variety of challenging achievements and difficulty levels. A near-endless number of randomized encounters and enemies means you can enjoy the story in exciting new ways every time you play.
Your mother's secrets are here.
People said she was a witch, but I never believed it.
Now, prepare yourself. You are all that stands between the forces of evil and Sanctuary's innocent denizens. Conquer your fears, shatter Hell's unholy legions, and banish them from the mortal realm, once and for all.